So guys, this is what we're going to be covering. Hey guys, Francis here. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to start a job servicing business for 2020. And this is considered the best step by step, okay, to making between $3,000 to $10,000 every single month. All right. So this is a highly requested video. That's why I decided to do this tutorial, and this is going to be a long video. All right. So sit back and relax so you can watch every single step of the way and understand how this business model works, okay, and how you can get started with yours ASAP. All right. Now, if this is your first time on stopping by on my channel, my name is Francis Abogonye. I share entrepreneurship videos. I do make money online methods like this one, and I document my experience on this channel. So if you like videos such as this, I invite you to subscribe and tick the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I put out videos like this one. That way you don't miss out on anything, all right? And if you have any questions for me, you can put that in the comment. And also let me know how much you like to make on a daily basis, okay, in the comment section so I can make future videos tailored to your goals. All right, and also share this video with your friends to give value to them. Smash the thumbs up button to show your support. Okay, I appreciate it a lot if you do that right now. Thank you for those of you who just did. I appreciate it a lot. So with that being said, let's dive right into the video, and I'll be sharing with you guys what job servicing is and how you can get started with your own business following this step-by-step method. Okay, and by the end of this video also, I'm going to be giving you guys a bonus for those of you who will stay to the end. There's a bonus waiting for you at the end. So what you're going to be expecting from this video today is I'm going to be sharing with you guys what job servicing is, okay, and how it works. Also, I'll be sharing with you some examples, okay, of job servicing, of the kind of service you can render, all right, in this business model. Also, how to find high income service that pays up to $1,000 per project, okay, because if you make like 3 sales, okay, if you sell like 3 projects in a single month, you're already making $3,000, all right. And I'll be sharing with you guys where to find experts and you allowing experts to do the job for you. And the 3 key secrets, okay, to making money with this particular method. All right, that will be coming up shortly. Also, the tools you need to get this method off the ground and the step-by-step job servicing website setup. Okay, I'll be sharing with you guys how to set up your own business, your own website from scratch. All right. Also, there are some new and trending offers, okay, that is hot, that is out there. A lot of people are making money from it. I'll be showing you guys some of those offers and how you can get started with them also and incorporate them into your business, as well as the best free traffic method you can use for this and the coolest way, okay, to maximize your result. So some of the requirements you need, all right, to get this method off the ground is it requires an investment of under $100 to get started with. Okay, if you want to build this as a real business, okay, it requires an investment under $100, which you'll be making back in no time, all right, because this will actually pay off and you'll be making this back in no time. So it requires a minimum investment under $100. Let me say between $100 or under it. And the coolest part is that it's a worldwide method. Everybody can do this. It doesn't matter what country you're in. It doesn't matter your race, your age. All right. Everybody can do this particular method. Okay. If you stick with this video every single step of the way and understand the ropes of how this business model works. All right. So if you're getting value from this video right now, if this sounds like what you're already expecting or what you're waiting for, sure to give this video a thumbs up right now. Okay, just say cool in the comment section. I would love to know what you guys think. Okay, I'll know that this section I'm talking about, this is where you actually said cool for. All right, just put cool in the comment if you're gaining value from this. Okay, and so I'm about to jump right in to show you guys how to get started with this entire business model. So what job servicing is and how it basically works is just you, okay, building your business around outsourcing jobs. Okay, you don't necessarily need to have a certain skill in a particular field to render certain professional services. Okay, so you stand as the middleman. All right, so you go out there, you look for people who need services done, and you get experts to get the job done. Then you pay the experts off and you keep the difference. That is what job servicing is, and that is exactly how it works. Okay, you setting up your own entire business around it and getting people to do the service for you. So some examples of job service of services you can render are like graphic design services, web development services. Okay, maybe you want to do programming and you want to do app development, UX and UI designs, all right? Or maybe you want to be a writer, okay? You can sell writing services, okay? Outsource that to other experts to get the job done for you. You don't necessarily need to be a pro in this field, all right? All you're basically doing is serve as the middleman, all right? And this has been around for quite a long time, okay? I've also done this in the past and I've seen a lot of success with it. I've made a lot of money with job servicing, okay? Because there's some skills I don't know, I don't have on my own. So I look for other people that can help me render some of those skills and I made money from it also. Since you already understand what job servicing is and how it works, okay, now we're going to be looking at some examples, okay, of services you can offer, okay, or services you can render out there. So when we go to Fiverr, I'll just type out Fiverr here, okay. If you don't know what Fiverr is actually a marketplace. Also, you can go to Upwork, okay, upwork.com, okay. Fiverr is a freelance website or platform where you can find a lot of freelancers or professionals that you can work with, okay. So there are a ton of people right here on Fiverr, okay, that are offering professional services. All right, so some of the skills you can go for is programming, okay, programming and tech. All right, anything that has to do with web development, all right, UI design, UX design, building charts, programming, okay, creating softwares and all that tends to be high, all right, or maybe app development tends to be high also, as well as graphic design services and other digital marketing services and writing also. They are also high and cool also. There are things you can do, as well as animation. Almost everything here are professional services that you can charge premium for, okay, and earn up to $1,000 for, just like I made mention right here, okay. So some of these services, now we're talking about the high income services you can do. Some of the high income services, just like I made mention, is programming, all right, animation, okay. Animation tends to pay a lot, all right, if you have somebody that's paying you recurring every single month to create animation for them, all right. So programming tends to be high. Anything that has to do with anything that's to do with app development, okay, because a lot of people want to create apps, okay, for their business. So Upwork is also around similar thing, all right. So you can come to upwork.com, okay, to find people. All you have to do is to sign up as a client, and you can find people you can work with, okay. Find people, either freelancers or agencies, all right, that you can work with to perform certain tasks for you, okay, as a professional. So with this out of the way, like you can charge between $1,000, okay, for some website, especially when the website has to do with back end. Let's say it has to do with a lottery website, a website for gaming, any big website, okay. More of like a website that requires an algorithm that they have to build an algorithm around, okay. Some of those projects tend to charge like $10,000, $20,000 per project, okay. So you can go for things like that also, all right. But the quick things you can sell easily are web development services and also app development and graphic design services and all that, okay, that can pay you up to $1,000, okay. So let's say we want to look at at website builders and CMS, okay, content management system, okay. Just like I said, they can build yours for you as well, all right. So let's just look at simple websites for WordPress, all right. Let's look for who can do WordPress website, okay. So now these are the platforms you can find skilled people, okay. We're on this section right now. Let the expert do the work for you. Actually, you're not going to be the one doing the work for yourself. The experts you're going to be finding on these platforms are going to be the ones handling this for you, okay. So now for the 3 key secrets, all right, to making this work very, very well, okay, I'm going to be sharing that three key secrets to you guys right now. The first one you want to look at, okay, is uniqueness. You need to be unique, all right. The first one is being unique. Reason for this is because you want to stand out, okay. You want to be different from the crowd, all right, because a lot of people might be selling doing job servicing also. So to make you different from the crowd is being unique, how you position your product and all that, maybe the way you set up your own website or your landing page, all right. There is a way you can figure out how to be unique with this particular business model, okay. Another thing you should do again is to understand the power of bundling, okay, how to bundle things up. In our business, we mostly do a lot of bundling, all right. We put a lot of products together and sell them as a package, okay. So understand how to bundle, all right. The secret number 2 is bundle, or we can call it package. How to put things in a particular package, all right. Package deal and sell that as a package. It's easy for somebody to buy from you, okay. Once they see that you're unique, you bundle things up, okay, they can get a particular thing they need from you. Instead of buying one from different people, they can just get it from you. Makes it easier. And the third thing, okay, the third secret right here is also you have to understand how to give bonuses, okay. Bonus is a huge way to get people to buy from you, or to get into your in your business and buy a lot of things from you. So these are the 3 unique ways. Let me just remove this bullet point here. So these are the 3 unique ways, okay. These are the 3 ways, okay, you can make money with this particular business model, okay. These are the 3 key secrets, okay. And I've seen a lot of success with this particular thing I'm telling you right now, okay, because I've done this and I've seen results with it. So some of the tools you are going to be needing, okay, to make this business model work for you is mostly the first one, and the most important one is actually your website setup. Okay, so Bluehost is what I use for setting up websites. Okay, this is what I use for all my website and all that online. All right, so when you come to francisabogonye.com/resources, I'll put the link in the description of this video. It's actually my resource page where you can find all the resources I use to make money online, as well as the tools I use as well. So when you come to this page, actually my affiliate link is right here. Okay, so you can choose to buy through my link to support. Thank you for doing that. For those of you who do that, I appreciate it a lot. So you can come to this section right here and click try Bluehost. I'm also going to link Bluehost in the description of this video. Okay, so you can go get hosting before moving to the next phase. All right, so when you get hosting, this is what once you click this link, or once you click the link in the description, I'm going to leave that there, you'll be taken to this page right here. This is the next step. Okay, once you're on Bluehost, you want to click on get started. All right, you need to click on get started so you can get started with your own website. Okay, now I'm going to be showing you guys how to create your own website and some of the plugins you should install on your website to get you set, okay, to get you ready to go and sell your business. All right, so the first thing you want to do is this is what they recommend right here. All right, this is actually a cool this actually takes unlimited websites, so you can put a lot of websites on this particular bundle right here. Okay, and unmetered bandwidth and all that. Right, so based on your budget though, you can pick any one, and the good part about it is that you can choose to upgrade anytime you want. Okay, so you don't need to worry about some of the fees right here. So for this, I can just choose this one because this is what is recommended, okay, by Bluehost. I'll just pick that one. So for your domain name, you can come up with any name that you know is suitable for your brand. Let me just check this real quick. So you can just put a name that is suitable for your brand. Okay, let's say you want to put let me just say Drop Service 2020. DROP Drop Service 2020. Okay, let's say this is what you want to be selling. All right, though don't call your business Drop Service. All right, you can call it let's say design here, let's say get websites here. Let's say get websites here. All right, let's say getwebsiteshere.com. all right, so we'll say next. Then we'll be taken to the page where we can pay for Bluehost and get our website up and running. All right, so right here, this is where you enter your details. Okay, you put in your name, your last name, your business name, your country. Okay, and on this section right here, you can see they are actually giving $595 okay per month if you're buying a 36-month plan. Okay, you can choose to go for, and they are giving you a domain name for free. This is actually awesome. You don't get to pay for the domain name. It's actually free. For this section also, you can click on this tab here. Okay, if you don't want to pay for the 36 months, actually you get a discount when you're paying for this. All right, but if you're not paying for the 36 months, you want to pay for like 12 months, okay, which is 1 year, or you can go for the 24 months, which is also cool. They get to charge you this. Okay, but let's go for the bare minimum and see how much it will show right here. So once you click on this one right here, all right, you see the hosting price is now $95. Okay, and they're also giving us the domain name for free. Okay, as well as the domain privacy protection is actually free. So we're getting a lot of value from this. So for this now, I'm just going to uncheck all this. So you don't necessarily need this. Maybe later if you need this, you can come back to it. And this is where you put in your payment information, your credit card information. This is where you put that in. If you want to pay through PayPal, you can click PayPal and pay through PayPal. All right. So after all that, you click on the I agree and submit. This is where you want to be. All right. This is where you want to be first, so that you can get hosting and get started. All right, with your website, so you can start selling your job servicing packages. All right. So I'm just going to quickly log into my Bluehost account so I can create a subdomain that we can use for this tutorial purposes. Okay. So if you're another cool part about this is that once you're trying to go out of Bluehost, this is actually a trick you can use, okay, to get a discount, okay, on Bluehost. As I was trying to hover my mouse backwards, all right, you can see they actually decided to give me a special discount. So they can give you a discount once you're on this page. Once you use my link, you get to this page, you fill this out, all right, you can maybe use this trick. Don't say I told you. And as if you're going out, then you will see a special discount. Once I click on this claim savings, okay, you see the amount is they actually give 66% off. So once we go back down and check how much we're paying, okay, for 12 months, all right, you can see this one is actually down. You can see the 36 months actually $178, okay, which is very, very cheap. Okay, you can go for this so you don't worry about your hosting package for like 3 years. Okay, so let's say we're going down to like 12 months. You can see the price is now $89. Okay, it was actually $90 something, now $89. So to get that little bit of discount is cool. So this is a trick you can actually use to get a discount from Bluehost. Okay, don't say I told you though. Then let's just go back real quick. Let me just log in to my own account. All right, Bluehost. I know you cool. So I'll just log into my own. So I'll need to install WordPress on that particular website right now. I'm just going to be putting WordPress. Okay, WordPress is a very, very awesome and cool CMS. Okay, what CMS is just basically content management system. Okay, something that manage the content, okay, for your website. So I'll just click on create websites here. So this is where you will want to be, okay, when you are creating your website. Okay, so once you're on this page right now, once you're on this particular page on your Bluehost dashboard, okay, once you get your hosting and all that, they'll walk you through the entire process of setting your own website up. Okay, so but for me that already has an existing Bluehost account, okay, what I will now do is I will now click on create site. Okay, this is where I want to be. So now this is now the process to installing WordPress on your site. Create a new WordPress site. All right, so for me I will now say web design, just call it web design by Francis. Web design by Francis, helping businesses, helping people, or let's just say helping people get a unique website. I can just say a unique and modern website. Okay, so I'll just click next. All right, come to this section right here and pick my domain, okay, which I bought. All right, I'm just gonna pick a domain, the domain I actually bought, but in this case I didn't actually buy any domain. It was actually a subdomain, so that I can use that for tutorial purposes to show you guys how to do this particular website setup. Okay, so I'll just look for it real quick. I called it website. All right, website.francisabogany.com. So I'll just select the domain name right here. All right, leave everything like this, click on next. So I'll just hold on tight while Bluehost set up my WordPress website. Okay, so everything is setting up. This is actually wordpress.org, not wordpress.com. Okay, don't get it wrong. Wordpress.com is actually free. Wordpress.org, okay, you have total control of your website. Okay, so you can see right here I now have my website details and all that. So I'll just click this will also be emailed to you, okay, once they finish installing WordPress. Now I'll just click on log into my WordPress or log into WordPress. So I'll now go straight, you can see, diving straight into so once you click login, okay, we'll be brought straight to the website page. Okay, you can see get website by Francis. So the first thing we want to do first after coming to this section right here is to change theme, okay, put in plugins and all that, start setting up our website and also changing permalinks. But once you're here, the first thing you should consider doing is scroll down, okay, and come to this section where this is settings, okay, and change this permalinks. Okay, this is what you want to change first. All right, say Francis told you change permalinks first. All right, so change this from, this is what permalinks basically is the way it titles your page, okay, the way it titles your URL actually. So I'll just change this to post name. Make sure you come here, just change it to post name. Follow what I'm telling you to do. All right, change it to post name, save changes. Then the next thing we're going to be doing is we'll go straight to appearance, all right, and change the theme of our website. For this tutorial purpose, I like for us to use Astra. Okay, so I'll click on I'm not actually upload. Why did I click on upload? Come on, Go back to theme. All right, so we're just going to be searching for a free theme. All right, we'll just look for any WordPress theme that's actually free for us to use. So once you're on this section, okay, you can just come here and click add new theme. All right, so once you click on add new theme, come here, type in Astra. Astra is spelled A-S-T-R-A. okay, Astra is one of the most installed theme, okay, on the WordPress in general. I think for 2019, something like that. So come here, install. All right, then activate. All right, we install and we activate. You can see right here our website is showing not secure. We'll figure this out in no time. Okay, so once you buy your domain name, actually Bluehost will actually, they are giving you domain privacy. Okay, so this will be showing secure with a padlock sign on it, but I'll show you guys how we can fix this one on this website shortly. So once we install Astra is telling us thank you for installing. Okay, get started. You click on the get started, okay, because we want to follow what Astra is telling us to do, because when we follow this, it will be easy for us to set up our website in no time. And also Astra will help us install some theme. All right, so I want to follow this particular process. So now they brought us to this particular page where they say select a page builder. Okay, for the page builder I love to use so much is called Elementor. Okay, Elementor is actually cool. Some of you guys might be familiar with all these other ones, but I don't use them. I prefer Elementor because it is easy to use. You can create easy landing pages with Elementor. Okay, so just click on next right here. Then what we're going to be doing next is actually see the options Elementor will be giving us. Okay, already designed websites. All right, so we're now looking at websites that are already designed that we can use to do whatever we want. All right, and sell products and all those cool stuff. Okay, because actually we want to be selling we want to be drop servicing product, or let me say we want to be drop servicing, right? So we're actually going to look for a template, okay, that can work for what we want. Okay, so a lot of people will be saying to design a website is difficult and all that. Okay, you can see how simple it is. We're setting this up right now. So let me just take a look at any e-commerce store right here. So you can see this one is actually cool. Yeah, shoe store where you can buy shoes. So we can actually use this template and sell product. Okay, can sell on drop ship. All right, so we can just let me see, click on preview if it's actually free. This is not free. You have to pay for this. Okay, you have to pay for this. Okay, check this out. This is actually cool. So if you have money to invest, you can actually get this bundle and pay for it. All right, you can see how cool this is. So you can use this particular template right here. Okay, so I'll just close it up. Let's look for something that is free to use and we can use ASAP, all right, without wasting much time. So for this, let's take a look at this. What's this? Okay, this will also work for what we want. Or let's check for other options. So sometimes this thing might be going back and forth. So we'll come here. This is the one we should select. Okay, I've actually gone through this before. I know this one is cool for what we want to achieve. All right, so we can just preview this and see what it looks like. Okay, I'll just click on this collapse right here so we can take a look at the website on how it looks like. Okay, this is actually a print website. You can use this to sell print on demand, and as well we can use this to sell services. Okay, we can just put our services here and put them in the pictures. Okay, so it is actually a cool website we can get started with. All right, and it's easy to do, it's easy to set up. Okay, all we have to do is just to install this on our site, okay, and start editing everything right here. All right, so this is what I'm just going to be doing. Click on delete previous imported sites. All right, any site that's existing on our WordPress site, you should delete it, and also install all the plugins that comes with this also. So we'll just click on install. First off is installing Elementor and any other plugin. Okay, WooCommerce also, you see everything is set up for us. Actually, we're supposed to have WooCommerce, all right, and Elementor, which is the page builder, okay, to get this off the ground. All right, so our site is ready. Click on done, view site, and I'll just close this here so we can go back to the back end of our site. So this is what our site currently looks like. Okay, you can see the URL is getwebsite.francisabogany.com. okay, so this is what our website currently looks like. So we can now start editing everything right on this page. Okay, so first off, like I said, we'll now go to this section and install some plugins, okay, to get everything looking all pretty and nice. So first off, I want to come to this section and add a particular plugin. So once you click on plugin, come to this section up here, add new. Simple. This is just click, and you're already getting your website off the ground. Okay, WordPress is actually simple to use. So we'll just A3 lazy load, okay, because we want our website to be loading fast. All right, so we'll just install this one. Okay, first off, we want our website to actually be loading fast. Okay, images will be loading back over our website is already up. We want speed. All right, so we activate. We also come to this section, add more plugins, add new. Then we add up. We need this to be secure, so we'll just do a free SSL. So just a simple SSL. All right, so that is what we're going for. So we just need our website to be secure. You can see this is now showing red. Funny enough, since I typed in SSL, you can see this has 3.3 million plus active installs. Okay, so we'll just activate this. All right, so our website can show it's secure, so people will not be scared when they visit our website. All right, but since you're getting hosting directly from Bluehost, okay, once you get that hosting, you get to they give you this for free. Okay, come to this section right here, edit with Elementor. They will start editing the website in general and start putting things where they're supposed to be. So I'm just going to show you guys how you can just basically edit the website, okay, and get things to put on your website actually. So first thing you want to do is, since you already know where to get professionals, okay, to work with for your job servicing business, okay, like on this particular section right here, we can just click. Okay, you can see this is editable. You can just type in anything you want. Okay, we can see get the best website design. Okay, here we can say unique. Here we can say unique. What am I typing? Unique and modern. Here we can say unique and modern. Come to this section here. So they are all, you can just click. Okay, you can see you can just click and edit everything on this page right here. Click the button below to get started. Okay, so this is how it works basically. Then you come to this section, put some products right here. Okay, what you can put is just some website design. Okay, since you're selling website design, so we can come to Fiverr. We can come to Fiverr right here and take a look at what people are selling. Okay, just like we click on WordPress, we can see people are selling WordPress design. Okay, they can help you design your website. So we can just look at some few options right here. You can see this person has 93 sales, 5-star review. We can just click on his own. Okay, so we don't tend to waste much time with this. So we can just come to this particular section and see some of the things this guy is offering us right here, if we can work with him. So we can just copy some of his gigs, his pricing and all that. So you can see right here he has pricing for $75, which is his basic, all right, standard and premium. Okay, so we can just build our packages around what he has here. Okay, so we can come and say, let me just go to this section here. We can call this one I think we'll just take out some things here. We'll just take out some things here and put our bundle here. So once you click on this section, click on this tab here, cancel this, click on this one, click on this add template section. Okay, Elementor already has a bunch of templates already you can work with. Okay, so we'll just scroll down and see the one that works with what we want. If I can find it real quick, we can find it real quick. Okay guys, we'll have to design it ourselves. Okay, so here we'll now have our services. Okay, we can call this basic, and we can call this basic. Once we come to this section right here, we can see how much this guy is charging. Okay, So we can call this basic. Okay, upload a picture here of a website. All right, and to do so we can just click on, okay, they're showing you got it, just click on this edit sign right here. You see an image sign, so you click on choose image. You can upload an image right here. Okay, and let's say to get website samples or website examples, you can just say website design, just website design. Okay, you can get some ideas from Google. All right, maybe download some few pictures. Okay, make sure they're royalty free, make sure they're not copyright pictures. Okay, maybe you can go to free stock websites, okay, to get website pictures you can use for your website. All right, so you can just get them. Okay, add them here. All right, put some of the listings this guy is having right here, okay, for his responsive page. Copy all this. All right, then mark up your price. To do so, we can just do something very simple. Okay, come to this section here. All right, on Elementor, click on this tab right here. We'll scroll down, click here, scroll down, click on list. All right, put this under here. Okay, what did I do? I'm just gonna undo this. Come down, click on lists, bring it here, put it there. Come right here also, get a button, put it here. So we're setting up everything real quick. Okay, I think this has to go up. This is actually minus. Once this is actually misbehaving right now, so what we'll do is just come to the advanced section. Okay, based on the settings, that is why it's like that. I'll just put this to 0. Okay, so we can see it's clear, and move it to where we want to move it to. All right, so I'll just move it up here. For this one, we can also edit it because the padding and the margin is actually too big, so we'll just tend to reduce from the bottom. Okay, we'll just reduce from the bottom. And for this one, so we can call this starter, STAR, starter. Okay, so this will now be like our basic package. We just call this basic package. Then we can see what this guy is offering for basic packages right here. 3 pages, responsive. Okay, so we can just copy what he's putting right here. Okay, very simple. All right, what is wrong? We can just copy this, come here, come to this section here, paste this in. Okay, select it all, put this to be, no, put it to be paragraph actually. Okay, come here also. So this is what he's offering. Copy this. We can actually just put this to, the first one should be starter, Kickstarter. Come here, paste this one in here. All right, so we'll just put out some of the listings he had. Revision 2 days, 3-page website. He's actually giving 3-page website. So we'll come here. Once you're on this section, once you click on edit here, you click here also, you paste this in. All right, come here again, copy this, come here, tab here to close this one, click here also, you paste this in. Okay, now you see that this listing has different icons right here, but to make our work fast, we'll just close this ones off, close this one also. So with this one now we can just duplicate, okay, because they're actually 2, so we'll just duplicate this. Click by clicking on this sign here, it will duplicate. Click on it to edit, paste this, click to close, duplicate it again, come here, copy this one, copy, paste this one here, copy, duplicate, paste this one here. All right, you can see everything is coming together right now. Okay, this is not that hard to do, it's just very simple. By playing around with this, all right, you will know what to do. Okay, paste this here, come here, copy, went too far. Duplicate, paste this one here, come here, copy, paste this one here. So we'll now call this, we'll now center this, put this at the center, and we'll call this we'll say buy now. We'll just say buy now here. So this is where we'll now put the link to our product page, okay, the shop where this product will be on. Okay, so that is the same way we'll also create this one. The same way we made this is what we'll do here, we'll do here also. Okay, they'll carry the same things because they're actually going to be our packages. So we're just going to close this feature packages here. All right, and our happy client. Okay, so once you get to this our happy client section right here, okay, so you need some testimonials, right? So to get testimonials, you just come here and put reviews from other people, what other people are saying about him. Okay, you can see this one, you can just copy this. All right, you can copy this, what this person is saying. This is the person's name. We have to figure out the picture to use for that person there. Come here. We have to send this guy a message that we're going to be working with him before copying all his information. Okay, we'll tell him, we want to bring you a client, all right, to work with. So we'll just paste some of the testimonials here. You can see what else does he have on this page actually. By looking at it, we'll see he has an FAQ, this FAQ section right here. So with the FAQ section, what we can now do is we can now add a frequently asked questions section. On Elementor, it's very, very simple to use. Just click here, okay, or I can click on this template page right here. If you want to add a new page, you can click that one, and we'll be brought to this page, but I'll just go back to the block. All right, so I'll just look for an FAQ section, okay, template I can just add in. All right, this is actually cool. So we'll just log in real quick. Okay, Elementor actually wants us to log in. So we can now have this FAQ section right here. Okay, so we can edit this FAQ section also. All you have to do is to come here, copy what he has here and paste here also. Okay, and once you're done editing this entire page, what you will now do is come right here and click on update. Okay, click on update right here. Okay, now for the footer section, I know most of you are saying, how do I edit the footer section as well? Because you can't actually edit the footer section from this particular area. All you have to do is to come to this appearance tab. Okay, come to widget. All right, so once you're on widget, come on, once you're widget, you can see footer 1, okay, footer 2, footer 3, widget. All right, this is where you can edit them right here. Okay, so you can choose to add things to the footer, okay, and the sidebar and all that as well. So what you're going to be doing next, okay, is to come to this section where they say WooCommerce. Okay, this is where you want to be, because this is where you have to be taking in orders. All right, so you need to put in your payment details and all that on this particular section. So click on settings. Once you come to this section WooCommerce, click on settings. Okay, once you're inside the settings, all right, what you can now do is you want to do shipment, okay, because there's no shipping in this case. All right, so we don't need shipping. So once you already have this set up, okay, by filling in some of these details right here, which is not that hard to fill, okay, what you can now do is to come to this section right here, back to your dashboard on your website, okay, and take a look at this WooCommerce section. Okay, this is where you want to put in your entire you need to turn off shipping right here, and also you need to also put in your payment information right here so that you can take in payment and all that. All right, then you'll be set to go. Okay, you'll be ready to launch your website, and once you're done editing your website or setting everything up, all right, you can come to general right here, okay, and launch your website. Okay, come to general, then turn off this section right here, just put it turn off. Okay, save changes, and your website will be live for people to view. Okay, so what you can basically do is come over to this section and send this guy a message. Okay, communicate with him, okay, before getting started. Okay, talk to him and tell him you want to be bringing him clients. So he's charging $75 for this. on your own website, okay, you can actually charge a little bit higher. Okay, let's say I duplicate this right now. I can just say put an amount to this. I can say can put this for 500, let's say 599, okay, or let me say just say $500. We can actually put this for $500 right here on our website, okay, and also increase the packages as you go. Okay, so what we're going to be doing after editing our website, okay, getting our website set up and launched, okay, we can now go and get people to come to our website to buy from us. Okay, and a cool place to get started with is actually Facebook. Okay, you can just set up a few Facebook ads, all right, maybe spend money here and there, okay, to run traffic, okay, to your landing page. Okay, use Facebook ads to run traffic. All right, that's if you have money to invest. If you don't have any money to invest, just like I share with you guys right here, I'll be sharing with you guys some free traffic method to do to use with this. Okay, so you can join Facebook groups, okay, and from those Facebook groups you can use those Facebook groups to send people, okay, tell them, okay, I can help you design your website. All right, especially groups that has a lot of business people in them. You can join some of those groups and start getting people on board. Okay, and also you can go to Quora. Okay, if you don't know what Quora is a website. Let me just search Google Quora. Okay, Quora is a platform, a question and answer platform. Okay, like you say, an American question and answer website. Start answering people's questions for people who want a service done. Okay, so you can tell them how you can help them perform certain services, and also put your links, okay, to your website on the Quora account. There's more advanced ways to do this. Okay, I'll be sharing this in my next video on how to answer question and answer, okay, get traffic from Quora as well. In some of my previous video in the past, okay, which is on this channel, I actually shared that also, where you can actually use Quora, okay, to answer questions and put your links, okay, to get traffic to your link. Okay, so Quora and Facebook groups, okay, they are cool ways to get traffic, okay, to your website, okay, you've already designed. All right, Quora and Facebook, they are the two top ways you can use for this particular method right here, okay, to get people on board and to get people to buy from you. All right, so for the coolest way to make money with this particular method, what you can basically do is to get to pay for Facebook ad. Okay, just run some few Facebook ads, all right, and get traffic to your landing page. So this is how this particular method works. All right, just like I said in some of my previous video, when you learn something new, you need to take action on it. You need to act upon it. So if you find any value in this video, guys, and if you know you're going to be taking action on this, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you think about this in the comments. If you're going to be taking action on this, let me know this in the comment as well. Share this video with your friends to give value to them. Until next time, guys, subscribe if you're new. If you haven't subscribed, okay, make sure you hit the red subscribe button and tick the little bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I put out new videos. Until next time, guys, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Peace.